And for this purpose, may I request the Secretary General read the title of the measure and thereafter call the roll for nominal voting. So move, Madam Speaker.
The Secretary General is directed to read the title of the bill.
House Bill number 11287, an act fixing the term of office of barangay and sangguniang kabataan officials and changing the term of office from 3 years to 6 years, amending for the purpose sections 42 and 43 of Republic Act number 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code of 1991 as amended.
Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, may I request the Secretary General to call the roll for nominal voting.
The Secretary is directed to call the roll for nominal.
Roll call of members in consideration and third reading of House Bill number 11287. Abalos, Abante, Abunda, Atcharon, Asidre, Acop, Adyong, Advincula, Agarao, Alba, Albano, Almario, Almonte, Alonte, Alvarez Jose, Alvarez Mercedes, Alvarez Pantaleon, Amante, Amatong, Ang, Angara, Aquino, Aquino Magsaysay, Arbison, Arenas, Arrogancia, Asistio, Ataide, Aumentado, Balindong, Barba, Barbers, Baronda, Baskug, Bautista, Bautista Lim, Bernos, Billones, Biron, Bolilia, Bondok, Bongalon, Bordado, Bosita, Briones, Brosas, Buhain, Bulot Begtang, Bustos, Cabredo, Cagas, Kahayon Uy, Calderon, Calixto, Campos, Kawagdan, Ardema, Cari, Castro France, Castro Jane, Celeste, Sendanya, Shan, Chato, Shua, Shungalao, Po Angelica Natasha, Po Elizalde, Po Pilar, Po Juanco Jaime Eduardo Mark, Co Juanco Mark, Polada, Poliantes, Corvera, Cruz Ambrosio, Cruz Ricardo, Tua, Quaresma, Dagook, Delipe, Dalog, Dayanghirang, Daza, De Jesus, De Venecia, Defensor, Del Mar, De Los Santos, Dimaporo Mohammed Khalid, Dimaporo Siti Amina, Dionisio, Domingo, Duavit, Duhali, Duterte, D. Faustino Ino, D. Faustino Michael Carlos, D. Ian Paul, Ecleo, Emano, Enverga, Escudero, Espares, Espina, Estrella, Udela, Farinas, Fernandez, Ferrer Antonio, Ferrer Juliet Marie, Flores, Cortez, Frasco, Fresnedi, Puentebella, Galeos, Garcia Alba, Garcia Dante, Garcia Jose Arturo, Garcia Maria Angela, Garcia Pablo John, Garcia Vincent, Guardiola, Garin, Gasataya, Gato, Go Ed Christopher, Go Mark, Goles, Gomez, Gonzaga, Gonzales Aurelio, Gonzales Neptali, Gonzales Sandro, Goriseta, Guico, Gintu, Julias, Gutierrez, Haresco, Hataman, Hernandez, Herrera, Moribata, Javier, Po Olga, Po Ricardo, Po Wilton, Ponghun, Labad Labad, Lacson, Lacson Noel, Lagon Daphne, Lagon Sunny, Lara, Lazatin, Lee, Legarda, Libanan, Lim Kai Chong, Loyola, Luistro, Lumayag, Macapagal Arroyo, Maceda, Madrona, Magsino, Malapitan, Mangawang, Maniquis, Manuel,
Madam Speaker,
Yes, Honorable Manuel.
my vote for House Bill 11287 is no, and I would like to explain my vote later. Thank you.
Thank you. Please proceed.
Marañon, Marcoleta, Marcos, Mariano Hernandez, Marino, Marquez, Martinez, Mastura, Matibag, Matugas, Mendoza, Mercado, Mercado Revilla, Miguel, Momo, Morden, Nava, Nisay, Nograles, Nograles Almario, Nolasco, Oamenal, Olaso, Olivares, Ongchuan, Ordanes, Ortega, Uwano Dizon, Padiernos, Paduano, Paglas, Palma, Panaligan, Pancho, Panotes, Pascual, Peña, Pimentel, Plaza, Plato, Primicias Agabas, Pumarin, Puno, Kimbo, Rama, Regencia, Remulla, Revilla Brian, Revilla Ramon Jolo, Reyes, Rilio, Rivera, Robes, Rodriguez Eulogio, Rodriguez Rufus, Roman, Romero, Romualdez Ferdinand Martin, Romualdez Yeda Marie, Romualdo, Romulo, Roque, Sakdalan, Sagarbaria, Sakaluran, Salceda, Sali, Salimbangon, Salo, Santos, Saulog, Silverio, Singson Richel, Singson Ronald, Singson Mihan, Solon, Suwan, Swansing Horacio, Swansing Micaela Angela, Suarez, Talyado, Tamayo, Tambunting, Tan Joseph, Tan Keith Micah, Tan Reynolds Michael, Tan Samir, Tan Stephen James, Tan Tambut, Tan Shai, Tan Watko, Tariela, Teodoro, Teves, Tiangco, Tieng, Tolentino, Tulfo Irwin, Tulfo Jocelyn, Tulfo Ralph Wendell, Tupas, Tutor, E, Umali, Unabia, Ungab, Uy, Valeriano, Valmayor, Vargas, Vargas Alfonso, Velasco, Veloso Tuazon, Vergara, Verzosa, Villa, Villafuerte Luis Raymond, Villafuerte Miguel Luis, Villanueva, Villar, Villaraza Suarez, Villarica, Violago, Yamsuan, Yap Christiantel, Yap Christopherson, Yap Edvic, Yap Eric, U Divina Grace, U Jazel Victoria, Yulo, Zamora Amparo Maria, Zamora Maria Carmen, Zamora Isabel Maria, Zubiri. Second call and consideration and third reading of House Bill number 11287. Abunda, Acharon, Agarao, Almario, Alonte, Alvarez Mercedes, Alvarez Pantaleon, Amatong, Aumentado, Barba, Barbers, Bautista, Bautista Lim, Bernos, Bordado, Bosita, Bulut Begtang, Bustos, Cabredo, Kawagdan, Hardema, Harry, Castro Jane, Celeste, Sendanya, Chan, Chungalao, Po Angelica Natasha, Po Elizalde, Po Juanco Jaime Eduardo Mark, Poliantes, Cruz Ambrosio, Quaresma, De Los Santos, Dimaporo Mohamed Khalid, Dimaporo City Amina, Duavit, Duhali, Duterte, D. Faustino Michael Carlos, D. Ian Paul, Ecleo, Enverga, Estrella, Udela, Carinas, Fernandez, Cortez, Frasco, Puentebella, Garcia Albert, Garcia Jose Arturo, Garcia Vincent, Garin, Gato, Go Ed Christopher, Goles, Gomez, Gonzaga, Gonzalez Sandro, Huico, Quinto, Hataman, Hernandez, Ho Olga, Lara, Lazatin, Lee, Legarda, Limkay Chong, Luistro, Lumayag, Acapagal Arroyo, Magsino, Marañon, Marcoleta, Mariano Hernandez, Martinez, Matugas, Mercado, Mercado Revilla, Morden, Nograles, Nograles Almario, Nolasco, Oamenal, Olaso, Uwano Dizon, Padiernos, Paduano, Palma, Peña, Leto, Puno, Remulla, Reyes, Rillo, Rivera, Robes, Rodriguez Eulogio, Romero, Sakdalan, Sagarbaria, Sakaluran, Salceda, Sali, Talimbangon, Saulog, Singson Ronald, Solon, Swansing Horacio, Swansing Micaela Angela, Talyado, Tamayo, Tan Keith Micah, Tan Reynolds Michael, Tan Samir, Tan Stephen James, Tan Tambut, Tan Chay, Tan Watko, Teodoro, Tieng, Tolentino, Tulfo Erwin, Tupas, Tutor, Unabia, Ungab, Uy, Vargas Alfonso, Velasco, Vergara, Verzosa, Villa, Villafuerte Luis Raymond, Villanueva, Villaraza Suarez, Villarica, Biolago, Yap Christopherson, Yap Edvic, Yap Eric, Zamora Amparo Maria, Zubiri.
With 153 members voting in the affirmative, 4 in the negative, and 1 abstention, House Bill number 11287 is hereby approved on third and final reading. Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move that we recognize the Honorable Raul Manuel to explain his vote.
The Honorable Raul Manuel is recognized.
Salamat, Madam Speaker. Bumoboto ang representasyon ng kabataan ng no sa House Bill 11287 na naglalayong pahabain ang termino ng future and incumbent barangay and SK officials mula 3 taon patungo 6 na taon. Mula sa ating pagtatanong sa mga kabataang nasa SK, inamin nila na makakatulong ang 3-year term kung sakali dahil noong 2023 lamang sila naihalal at naging masyadong maikli ang 2 taon para sa kanilang mga proyekto at plano para sa mga kabataan. Subalit hindi naman nila ito kasalanan. Kasalanan ito ng sunod-sunod na pagkakaantala ng barangay and SK elections kaya napahaba ang termino ng mga naunang SK at napaikli naman ang termino ng kasalukuyang SK. Ngayon, Madam Speaker, naniniwala ang kabataan na hindi 6-year term ang kailangan ng ating mga opisyales sa antas ng barangay. Tinututulan natin ang panukalang batas na ito sa 3 batayan. Una, this bill effectively postpones the upcoming barangay and SK elections and risks being challenged at the Supreme Court, which ruled that barangay and SK elections must not be postponed without grave and sufficient reasons. Pangalawa, labis na makakaapekto ang panukalang batas na ito sa ating mga lider kabataan sa SK. Para maging SK, kailangan ang edad ay nasa 18 to 24 years old. Napakaraming pagbabago ang kinakaharap ng isang kabataan sa puntong ito ng kanilang buhay. Pagpasok sa kolehiyo, pagtatapos sa kolehiyo, paghahanap ng trabaho, paghahanda para magpamilya, at marami pang ibang milestones and major life decisions. Kung ang SK ay tunay na avenue para sa paglikha ng mga susunod na pinuno mula sa hanay ng kabataan, hindi nito kinakailangan ang 6 na taong itatagal ng kanilang termino. Pangatlo at panghuli, Madam Speaker, ang pagpapahaba ng termino ng barangay and SK officials ay magdudulot ng political entrenchment. Sa halip na may halalan kada 3 taon na accountability mechanism ng taong bayan para mapanatili ang pananagutan ng elected officials sa barangay level, tatagal hanggang 6 na taon ang pagkakaupo ng mga opisyal. Mapapalala ang padrino system sa pagitan ng mga opisyal sa barangay level at iba pang antas ng pamamahala. Dahil tatagal na ang termino ng barangay and SK officials, papaigtingin ang tradisyonal na politika at ang pagpapaupo ng mga traditional politicians ng kanilang mga tauhan sa barangay para tumagal ang kapit nila sa ganong local level of governance. Ang kinakailangan ng ating mga SK ay patuloy na pagsuporta sa kanila sa pamamagitan ng mga naisabatas na ng Kamara tulad ng SK Compensation and Empowerment Law. Dagdag pa, kailangang ipatupad ang SK trainings and leadership seminars na dati ay pinabayaan ng National Youth Commission sa ilalim ng dating chairperson nito. Ito po ang mga kailangan natin at hindi ang 6-year term. With that, Madam Speaker, once again, we vote no to House Bill 11287. Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move that we direct the Secretary General to immediately transmit to the Senate House Bill number 11287, which was just approved on third reading. So move, Madam Speaker.
There's a motion. Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move to designate the following members to the Conference Committee in the disagreeing provisions of House Bill number 11287 and Senate Bill number 2816, fixing the term of office of Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan officials and changing the term of office from 3 years to 6 years. Representative Manuel Sagarbaria, Representative Aurelio Dong Gonzalez Jr., Representative Arnan Panaligan, Representative Maria Victoria Copilar, Representative Faustino Ino Arcegadi V, Representative Ricardo S. Cruz Jr., Representative Jefferson F. Conghun, and Representative J.C. Abalos.
There is a motion to designate the aforementioned members to the said conference committee. Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move that we suspend session for a few